All right, so to spray a bearing, you want to turn, that's upside down, you want to turn the pressure up a little bit. It'll help you to not use as much material, which will cause you to lose less, and you'll be able to apply it easier without having to deal with it just running down the side of your bearing and not getting the coating that you want. And then obviously you guys are having issues in these areas, so I'll address that when I get to it. But first, you'll want to, at least this is the way that we will typically do it, is to start at the top and drape it down, let gravity help you, because you don't have to fight as much. And make sure that you're getting close to a 90-degree angle. And then this is obviously between your first and your second coating, you're going to want to cut all of this. It's too warm right now to do that, but give it a second to cool down and cut all of this back. It'll help when you put your second coating on to make sure that there's not a bunch of bumps and ridges in your coating, and it will help with just adhesion. And you also want to trim your how far out on the shaft you came, so that you have a clean line to cut from when you do your second coat. But that is how you would spray underneath.